Marc P880 coming around the bend. Oh, here it comes.
Still do everything. So that's the gun still following it. Out there 78.2 or is it cleared? Cleared, okay. March 2070 to departing Washington Road, Surgery.
Sorry about the secondness, guys. I don't know. You can let me see. You can zoom it now. On the left side, I don't know. You can see the red signal is. That's Doorwood right there. That's where D765 comes out on the right. And right now I'm at Western Grove Station. Gettysburg Station is around. That bend is about roughly about a mile and a half away from where I am right now. Alright, so you guys meet me next time. I do have a doctor's appointment at about 1:20, so I'll try to get as much train as I can get today. So you guys meet me next one.